Hi, welcome back to After Baby Revival. In this video I'm just going to be going through some methods on how to burp baby. So little man's just had his feed, so his tummy's nice and full, and we're just going to burp him now. So there's 3 methods in which you can do this, but all the theory is the same in them. So what you're doing is trying to create some space in the abdomen just to let them burp a bit. So first method is laying them on the front, just leaning out again to create that space before doing either the clockwise movements with your hand or gentle pats on the back. So the second method is by sitting him up straight. And the same thing, just put your arm out, make sure you're supporting the neck, lift him up a bit to create that space, and again, clockwise movements or gentle pats on the back. And then my favourite is the last method, which is over the shoulder. So I'm just going to move my hair out of the way so it doesn't go in his mouth for any reason. So again, support the neck, let him drop a little bit to create that space, and gentle movements and gentle pats. There we go. Okay, that's baby all burped, and now hopefully ready to settle down and have a nice sleep. So thank you for watching, and as always, let me know in the comments what you thought of the video. Thanks again, take care.